Today in this class we are going to create fake news app. So first of all I just want to show you the output, that how will it look. It will look something like this. Just type any news. As I'm typing, it seems rain in Delhi at 5 p.m. and click here on analyze with AI. Then you can see AI with analyze. It is showing that analyze with AI, please wait, and within a second it will give you the answer that how will it look. So now after this, let's start. First of all, what we should do, we will just use here import tkinter SDK for getting the window. After that, we will use from tkinter import scroll text, so that whatever the message will become, it should be scrolled. With OpenAI, because here we are using one API key with the help of OpenAI. After that, downloading these three apps as a package, we will move to the client. Client is just a variable name. OpenAI is the command. It is the package which we have called upside, and API key is this. Now I'm telling you how you can create your API key. For generating your API key, you have to go to the Google. And after going to the Google, you will just type here Open API key, because we are using OpenAI as it's free, anybody can use. And after opening it, you have to log in it firstly with your ID. When you will log in it with your ID, then it will come like this. As you can see, my ID has login. Just click here on create new secret key. Just type the name as I'm typing the name, for example, news. And after that, click on create secret key. Then remember it should be all, and then copy. After that, come to your PyCharm and just paste this key on your API key. Here you can use your API key. Again, I'm telling you, you should log in it with your Gmail ID, then you will get it very easily. So after taking your API key, we will create the function. As you know, the function is the collection of data. So we will create the function analyze text with AI. It is just a function name. In place of this, you can type anything. Text is the attribute by which we will call it. Now we will use here try and accept command. With the help of try command, if the output is okay, it will show you the answer. And with the help of accept command, if the output is not okay, it will show error. So if the output is correct, it will show response, client chat, completion, create. And which type of creation it will come? It will come with the help of OpenAI. For this, I'm calling here model GPT-40 mini. After that, we will use here message. Message means what type of output it will show. So it will show role, means it will show AI. System, whatever the news you will type, it will mention the content, that what is the topic in which you want to ask fake or real. And after that, it will show that this is the detected, explain the possibility, fake news, misunderstanding. So this is just a message. After creating this command, this list, remember, this is the list for the correct answer. This is the list for the user one. So one for the AI one for the user, whatever the user will type. After getting the list with the help of this set, we will use here AI reply. What the AI will reply? Response choice is 0. We have two choices. First choice is the system one. Second choice is the user one. So now I'm using the choice 0. Then message will be displayed. After that, return AI reply. Whatever AI will reply, it will show that one. One more time I'm telling you, AI reply is the variable name. Response is the variable which we have called in the try one. Choices, here we make the messages. Two messages. This is message number 0. This is message number 1. And content is step, so that it will come in a simple sentence. After that, if this command will not work, if user will type something else, then it will show exception. And this type of exception, it will return the error. On what type of error it will show? As we have mentioned here, the message. Now, tkinter GUI. It means now we are going to create the Windows command. So we just create the function run GUI diff analyze. This is the main function. In this function, we will create one more function, that is the analyze one. Text is equal to textbox.get 1.0 tk and strip. This is the version of the tkinter. This is the tk and means when the window will close. Strip means in the sentence way. If not text, अगर यूजर ने कुछ text type नहीं करा है, if the user will type any number in place of text, it means alphabets, then it will show a message box, show warning. ये आपको error show करेगा that empty box is there, please enter some text to analyze, so that AI can guess that it is fake or real. After this, we will create the result box config state tk normal, that the normal window. Result box delete means जैसे यूजर ने कुछ भी टाइप करा वो ऑटोमेटिकली डिलीट हो जाए. As a user will type something in the entry box, it will delete automatically. रिजल्ट बॉक्स इंसर्ट टीके एंड इन द स्टार्टिंग वन रूट अपडेट, जैसे ही हम एंटर करें एनालाइज पे दे आई रूट अपडेट हो जाए एंड इट विल शो योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Result analyze text with AI. Result box will be deleted automatically. We will insert the TK command in the end and the box will be appear state disabled. Means the state will be disabled, it will work. Now root TK, STK for getting the window. Root is the variable name, TK for getting the window. Title is AI fake detector. Geometry the size of the window and config the color of the background. Now we will create the label. As you know how to make the label. Root is the window name. My label name is AI Fake News Detector. This is the font size, this is the background color, and this is the place where it should be visible. In the same way, we will create the second label. My second label name is enter the name of the news. Root is the window name. This is the background color, this is the font style, and pack where it should be visible. इन द सेम वे विल क्रिएट द टेक्स्ट बॉक्स वेयर वी कैन टाइप द न्यूज. जहाँ पे हमें न्यूज टाइप करनी है उसके लिए हमने टेक्स्ट बॉक्स बनाया. स्क्रॉल टेक्स्ट की हेल्प से जब हम बहुत बड़ी न्यूज लिखेंगे तो वो ऊपर नीचे कर सकता है. इफ यू विल टाइप द बिग न्यूज देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्क्रॉल बार यू कैन मूव अप एंड डाउन. Window name, size of the box, height of the box. Wrap means it will make enter automatically, like my box size is this. If I want to type more line, then enter will come automatically. So basically wrap command will help for pressing the enter. This is the font style. Then text box pack, pad X and pad Y. TK button, the button will be visible. Root is the window name. My button name is analyze with AI. Command analyze as whatever the command of your function. My function command is analyze, so we will use this one. Background color, foreground color and the font size. After this, we will create the label. Label को हमने कॉल करा root, window name, text result. One result label will become, and after result label, result box will become as a text box. Basically, the coding which we have done here, same coding you can do copy and paste for the result one. Because we are creating text box and the label, nothing else. After that, call your main loop, that is root main loop. If name is equal to main, then run GUI. So, जब हम इतना पूरा ऐप रेडी कर लेंगे, when we complete this coding, the coding is only with 60 lines. Then, if you will type any fake news, so suppose I'm typing today is rain in Mumbai. Analyze with AI and AI will analyze, and if your APKI is correct, then it will show the correct answer, otherwise it will show the error. As it can say, for more information, use this read.com and OpenAI will work like this. So in this way, you can create your code. In the starting, I showed you the correct part. Now I'm showing you the error. Both part I have showed you. So now if you want to make it properly, so this is the fake news app, you can use it properly. Remember your API should be logged in it with your Gmail ID so that it can work properly. I hope the full coding is clear for you. It's enough for today. Rest we will tell you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.